Hi, I'm Brian from Good Nature, and this is our starter trap kit. I'm going to show you how it works, what it kills, and how it kills. The starter trap kit is designed to kill rats and mice humanely without any toxins, snapped fingers, or unfinished business. This A24 rat and mouse trap is the most important part of the starter trap kit. It's what kills the rat or mouse, then resets itself ready for the next one. One of our traps kills a pest somewhere in the world every minute. By self-resetting up to 48 times a year, it'll kill your whole rodent population, not just that one you've seen. This is the lure basket. You'll use it to entice rats and mice into your trap. They take a while to warm up to new foods, so this allows you to put whatever they're currently eating into your trap. Best of all, they won't be able to steal your lure. Just fill it up, screw it in, and replace the fresh lure on a regular basis. If you want to make your trap even lower maintenance, use one of our automatic paste pumps. They self-dispense for 6 months. This trap cap makes sure there's only one way rats or mice can get into that lure, where the trigger is. Screw it on, and you're almost good to go. All you need to do is mount the trap on a post, wall, or tree, about a hand's width high. This CO2 gas canister is what powers the trap for 6 months. Remove the black top from the gas canister and screw it in. You'll hear the gas filling. That's normal. Just keep turning it until it feels nice and tight. Then stop. Your trap is now live, so be careful. Now let's look at how the starter trap kit actually works. People assume the gas canister does the killing by gassing rodents. It doesn't. It's actually what powers the trap, so it's always live and ready to kill. Rodents are attracted to the trap by the smell of whatever you've put into that lure basket. They'll spend a few nights sniffing, then once they've decided it's safe, they'll put their nose all the way up, nudging that silver trigger. This orange striker is the thing that actually kills the rat or mouse, hitting them in the skull so they die swiftly and humanely. When they push against the silver trigger, gas rushes out from this chamber, shooting the orange striker out. Game over. The orange striker immediately resets itself. The rodent drops to the ground, and your trap is ready for the next one. Now let's do a deep dive of what's in the starter trap kit. Inside the kit is one A24 rat and mouse trap, 2 CO2 gas canisters, 1 lure basket, 1 trap mount, 2 screws, and 1 trap cap. Now for the fun bit. Let's do a test fire. If you're trapping with kids or animals around, you're going to want to have them around for this part, as it's a sure way to show that the trap is dangerous. You'll just use a twig or a stick to trigger the silver trigger in the trap. Don't worry, it won't sound so loud when you get a kill. The rat or mouse will dampen the sound. Now you're set for years of good nature trapping. This trap will sit outside year long, killing anything that triggers the silver trigger.